In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the X9 Maverick in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and equip the X9 Maverick and open up your gunsmith and go specifically into this customize tab up at the very top and into this camo section right here. Now you're going to see the multiplayer section. Go ahead and select that, and in this section you're going to see all the challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to the Arclight camo right here. Now firstly, you are going to have the prerequisites of getting, shattered gold here on the X9 Maverick, but on top of that, you're also going to have to get shattered gold on 6 total assault rifles here in Black Ops 7. Now, if you are just playing the base game at release, there is only 6 assault rifles. In the future, there probably will be more, and those will count towards the 6 total that you have to complete. You don't have to do more than 6 though. After you do get 6 assault rifles with shattered gold on it, you can finally move on to Arclight, which is just 10 double kills or better with the X9 Maverick. Now, if you do need help getting shattered gold on all of these weapons, I have full guides breaking down the entire strategy for every single one of these individual prerequisite camos, so make sure to check out those guides. But once you do get to the point of getting Arclight, all you have to do is get 10 double kills or better with the X9 Maverick. And the strategy for this is pretty simple. Hardpoint, 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 hardpoint. This is by far the best objective game mode in the entire game for grinding camos. Just wait for 2 people on the opposing team to essentially run in there, kill them both real quick while sitting outside of the hard point, and you're going to go ahead and knock out a double kill. You just have to do this 10 times. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.